Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to make a mini power bank. For that I have taken a half an inch T, CPVC T. This is a 5 volt power bank charging module. So I'll be fixing this charging module inside this. For that I have to make a groove here. I have taken some markings in here. So this is the marking. I'll just make a groove here so I can fix the module inside. So I have made a groove. I have fixed the charging module also. So now I have to place the lithium ion cell inside this. I am planning to fix a 16300 lithium cell. So let me try to fix the cell. So the charging module is fixed. I have made an additional cover for this. So this gets fitted inside this. So I have decided to use 14500 cell. This cell is 1300 milliamperes and 3.7 volt. This can charge an iPhone for 50%, but that is a lifesaver during emergency services. So this is how the cell gets fixed. I have cut two end caps, one for this side, this for this end. So this is how the final product will be looking. Now I have to solder the cell to the charging module. Then I can stick these caps. We can test this charger then. So I'll solder it now. I am going to solder the wires to the cell. As we all know, the flat surface in the cell, it is the negative side, and the pointed side is the positive side. So I'll be connecting the negative wire first. Before you connect it, make sure you are using a sandpaper and sand it thoroughly so the surface becomes rough. It will be easy for us to solder it now. So the negative wire has been connected. We will be connecting the positive side now. After soldering, you can just pull and check the wires if it is firmly connected. So now it has been connected thoroughly. Now I will be soldering these wires to the circuit board. So in this circuit board, this is B plus, battery plus, this is B minus, battery minus. Now I am going to solder the wires to the circuit. The red one goes to the plus B positive and black to the B negative. Now both the wires has been soldered. Now I'll fix the board. It's time for testing now. Now I'll just turn on the charger for charging. You can see the light has started blinking. Now the power bank is getting charged. Now I'll connect it to a phone and just check whether it is able to charge the phone. So I have connected it to a phone now, iPhone 4. You can see it is charging. Let me turn off this. So it says 62%. I'll be leaving it for a few seconds. I'll explain the cost of the power bank, mini power bank. The cost of DIY mini power bank is around 250 rupees. The cell costed me 150 rupees. The charging module costed 50 rupees. The CPVC T, this is the T, it costed 20 rupees. And the end cap, I purchased 2 end caps. It costed me 30 rupees. So the overall cost comes around 250 rupees. So coming to the measurements now, the size of the power bank is 50 mm in length, and width I'll consider including the module 40 mm. So this is the size of the power bank. Now I'll assemble the end caps. I have to glue here. I'll show you the final product now after assembly. So this is the final product. Friends, it has come out really well. I want you to try this. It will be very handy when you are traveling. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.